Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Heights at 1520. The Heights at 1520. These are very recently built, frankly, just super cute apartments. And we're gonna continue our best tour ever of the Heights at 1520. Let's talk a little bit about the area now. I'm gonna walk around and I just want you to see what's around, just in quick walking distance. And I wanna talk to you about the area too. So this is in the lower heights of Houston, Texas. That means it's below the highway. This is close to Washington Avenue. Washington Avenue is actually that direction. You could go this way and then go down a little bit, or you could go this way and go down a little bit, and you're at Washington Avenue. Washington Avenue, there's all sorts of restaurants, night spots, boutiques, cool things to do, and it's super close to downtown as well. So it's a really popular area to be in. So in the lower heights, very convenient and very fun. Reasonably safe also. It's a good area in the inner loop. So this is in the lower heights area. I'm showing off a little bit of what it looks like too, so you can see a little bit more of this area. It's kind of a little more hidden, which is a good thing. This is one of the apartments, by the way, we filmed. It's the Broadstone Heights. We've got that in our video library, so you can watch that at any time. And we've got most of these apartments actually already filmed for you too. So look up any of these apartments anytime, but this is a fantastic area to be in. You'll totally love it. The Heights of 1520 building is pretty big. It kind of takes up a whole big block here. You can see it kind of extends over there, way over there. It's pretty big, and then it goes all the way down, this area. And again, this is just a good area to kind of walk, especially if you have a dog. It's a good area. But literally just a few minutes on the other side of here is Washington Avenue. So it's a fantastic area to be in. Hey, if you have any questions at any time of anything you're seeing, or you want to do a tour of the best apartments in the Heights, send me a text. I'll set that up for free for you. Or you can just ask questions about the best apartments in Houston. Send me that text right now. That's me below. And just say, hi, Grant. Can't wait to hear from you. Okay, now we're going to go look at the parking actually at the Heights of 1520. Let's do that right now.